Welcome everyone to the unboxing and making of the kayak Hobie mount with a Watersnake 24 pound thrust. Let's get into it. Unlike most people that use the cassette, I'm actually going to be using a mount made by Oz Outdoors, so I'll get it unpacked and show it to you. So this is the mount as it's come. So as you can see there, it mounts up that way and fits into the Hobie Drive like this. Ooh. As you can see, it's got top and bottom pins, unlike the cassette, which has only got a top pin. It's got it. A little bit firm to get in, so I might have to put a little bit of grease on my pins. This is a 2015 model Outback, without the Vantage seat. This was the changeover year. When I bought this, I had a choice of the Vantage seat or the traditional seat, and I went with the traditional seat. I've also just realised I've put that mount in back to front, so let me pull it out and we'll start putting it together. Okay, so first things first is to take this bracket off and the head off, and then we can mark how deep we need to be and where we need to cut. Rightio, as you can see, I've taken the head off and I've got it mounted in the hole, and I've only got it done with one bolt at the moment, just so I can measure and set my depth. So if we have a look under here, this can come up significantly. So somewhere about there, I think. So we have good clearance there. So as you can see now, I've marked where I want to cut it, and I'll just be using one of these cutting tools designed for cutting pipes. So holes now drilled on both sides for the securing screw. Now to cut the notches with the Dremel. Right, so hole drilled, all notched out. Time to reassemble. Right, so handles back on. Just a matter of rewiring now. So here's the final test fit now that it's all back together. Now that it is where I like it, I shall pull it apart. I will use Sikaflex on the shaft after I degrease it, just to stick it in place. But I am going to fit a PWM pulse wave modulator to this, so I can get infinitely variable speeds out of it. So I might wait on Sikaflexing it until I get that module and fit it up that way. So this is how she all fits. It all works, goes forwards, backwards. So if you like this, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with a water test.